There's a creature in the ocean that punches so fast, it boils water. Not metaphorically, literally creates heat and light with every strike. And no, it's not the size of a shark. It's small, quiet, and if you blink, you miss the attack entirely. Meet the mantis shrimp, the animal that hits like a bullet. But here's the insane part. Its punch doesn't just hit once, it hits twice. The first strike is physical. The second, a shockwave so powerful it can crack shells even if the first blow misses. You're not just getting hit, you're getting destroyed twice. The mantis shrimp isn't your typical sea creature. It comes armed with what scientists call raptorial appendages, basically spring-loaded clubs. These clubs accelerate faster than a .22 caliber bullet, reaching speeds of around 80 kilometers per hour in the blink of an eye. That's faster than your brain can even process. When the mantis shrimp strikes, it doesn't just smash its prey, it creates a phenomenon called cavitation. The speed of the punch forms tiny vapor bubbles in the water, and when those bubbles collapse, they release intense heat, almost as hot as the surface of the sun, and a flash of light. Yeah, this thing literally creates underwater explosions with its fists. Its victims? Crabs, snails, even other armored creatures. Shells that are built like tanks, shattered instantly. And if that wasn't enough, the mantis shrimp has one of the most complex visual systems ever discovered. While humans see 3 color channels, it can detect up to 16. It sees a world we can't even imagine, colors beyond our reality. Basically, it's fighting in a dimension you can't even perceive. So imagine this, a creature that sees more than you, moves faster than you, and hits harder than anything its size should. You don't stand a chance, and you wouldn't even understand what hit you. But here's what makes it even more terrifying. Scientists once tried to keep mantis shrimp in aquariums. Big mistake. Some species punched so hard, they cracked the glass tanks. Now imagine that power in the wild, where nothing is holding it back. The ocean is full of monsters, but the mantis shrimp proves you don't need size to dominate. Sometimes all it takes is one perfect punch.